Welcome to Exploring This Life. Today, we're going to be flying the DJI Mavic Mini for the first time, trying to get a feel for the controls before we take it out on a trip. Follow along, please. We're going to be starting off in the front yard driveway area. Going across the street, the neighbors are in their garage working on an ATV. We're going to go visit them. The controls on this Mavic Mini are not too different than an RC car. However, I'm having troubles with it because once you turn the drone away from you, it feels to me like the controls are backwards. I'm not sure. I'll get used to it eventually, but right now I'm kind of struggling, and you can tell from the footage. This is our house that we're looking at now. I'm going to eventually try to fly over the house, but I get a little bit scared and have to reel it back because I'm not comfortable enough to let it get out of my sight. Even though I've got it there on my cell phone, I still struggle without being able to see it. There's the backyard. And one thing that I know I need to do is I need to slow down the turning of the drone because it's pretty quick. And I've already adjusted it once based on a YouTube video I watched. And I think I'm going to probably have to do it again for sure. Just an overhead street view here. A little bit of the neighborhood. See how quick it turns? I'm not real happy with that. I'm going to have to slow it down, especially for a cinematic view, before we take it out tomorrow. Overall, this thing is a joy to fly. I really enjoy it. It's pretty neat. What I found interesting about this drone is that not only does it save the video to my phone as soon as I shut it down, it also saves it to an SD card that's internal on the drone itself. It's a removable SD, which is cool because I can bring it home, throw it in the computer, and start editing immediately. I really like that. Again, I do need to slow down the turning speed. It's pretty fast too. It'll get away from you if you're not really paying attention to what you're doing. What you're seeing here now is a circle function of the drone. Again, it kind of scared me a little bit because it started going towards some trees. Now on this try, I had to stop the drone because it started going way too fast for my liking. I felt like it was going out of control. It probably wasn't. Here I'm going to try and do a circle around the WRX. It's really dirty, by the way. I need to get out there and wash it. It didn't quite go as easy as I thought it was going to. Now again, the controls are kind of difficult to learn at first, at least for me. So I struggled getting it to go around the car the way I wanted it to. I suppose if the SUV wasn't on the other side, it would have been a lot easier. But again, it's just because I'm new to it. I think the video quality is pretty good. I guess we'll see once this video renders. But for as simple as it is to fly, I think I'm going to really enjoy this. And I think it's going to bring a lot of content to the channel. I do eventually plan to film an intro and an outro that we can use for each different video, or one specific for the beginning of the videos and one for the end of the videos. It'll just take some time to get used to it and get some good shots. I've got nothing bad to say about the DJI Mavic Mini. I think it's a great drone for a starter. It's very light. It's about 250 grams. So it's about the weight of a cell phone. If you haven't yet, please click the subscribe button. Also, click the bell so that you get a notification every time we go live or post a new video. And if you like the video, please hit the like button with a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, hit it with the thumbs down. In comments, please let us know what you didn't like. Thank you.